Me in exams, one day before paper, 1 hour before paper. When you are in your bed ready to sleep and you remember you had homework. When you have to watch cartoons after a scary movie so you don't have nightmares. What your phone sees before it falls on your face. Use your own words, don't just copy from the textbook. He died in 1987. Me, 1987 was when he died. When you are hungry but all the food in the house need to be cooked. When you're trying to be quiet in the kitchen at 2 a.m. and you drop a spoon. When you are in the back seat desperately trying to be the part of the front seat conversation. When your best friends start telling an embarrassing story about you.